How well do you know your Chrome browser? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing and today I'll be talking about Google Chrome. If you have Google Chrome on your phone, please kindly go to Play Store and update it. If you don't have, you can as well go to Play Store and get it for your phone. Google Play is one of the most popular browsers you can get out there. I like it because it's safe, it's available, user-friendly and popular. So if you're ready for this, let's get started. So if I open my Chrome, this is what I usually get. But I don't like these news that are here because sometimes they distract me. If I want to search for something on the internet, I'll have to start reading news, and before I know it, I'll spend time on it. So what I'm going to do is click on this settings icon. I'm going to turn this off, and when I turn it off, it is gone. I'll just have this whole thing before me. So this is the search bar, and I'm going to type the particular website or search question I have. This is Built to Bloom. In this blog sites, you can get articles that will help you in your growth and relationship with God, and even your relationship and career wise. So just try and check it out. I want to use this particular article. It's okay not to be okay to teach you a few things. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is how to download for offline use. We are going to be making use of these 3 dots a lot. So whenever you see stuff like this, know that this is where I'm coming. So when you click on that download icon, I know you saw it, you will be able to download this article for offline reading. Like, you don't need your data to be on again to read it. Anytime you want to access it, it will be there on your downloads. So that is how to download for offline use. Like, maybe you are searching the web and you see many things that you want, you can just go there and download them and read them later. Another thing you can also do is to add bookmark. Whether you start or just click on add bookmark, meaning that when you're reading your book and you fold a particular place, book or Bible, to save it for later. That's it. If you want to undo these actions, click on undo. So another thing you can do is to add this page to your home screen. It's going to appear like an app on your phone. This will help you. It's just like a shortcut that will help you to easily access this website. So if there is a particular site that you always go to, you might consider adding it to your home screen so that you don't always go to type the website. You will easily have it handy on your home screen. So if you want this particular place to look like a desktop site, as if you are using a laptop or a desktop computer to view it, click on desktop site. It's going to change the view and how it appears. So that is that for that. Then there's also another thing you can do with your Chrome. Maybe you are browsing and you want to search for a particular term on a particular website. That is what we call finding page. So when you click on the 3 dots, you would see where they wrote finding page in the places that we've been going to before. Just look at find it. I've highlighted it, finding page. When you tap on that finding page, it will give you an option to type the particular word you are searching for, and when you type a search, it's going to bring out all the times it appears, just like a WhatsApp search. For now, for this particular word, it's appeared like 10 times. So I'm going to use this arrow up here to just go down and see the 10 times and the places where they appeared. So can't you see that this app is superfluous? Is that a good word? I don't know. It's superb. So you should check this app out. Another thing you can also use Google Chrome to do is translate. Assuming this article was not written in English, maybe it was written in another language, you can click on translate and it will translate it for you, but it will just dictate for this one that it was written in English language. So there's nothing to translate unless you want to translate to another language. So if you find this article helpful, you can share it with your friends by clicking on the share button. And when you share it, you can copy the link, you can share to their email address as a message on chat, Facebook, long screenshot. If this is connected to a printer, you can print out this side or send to other devices that are connected via hotspot. So for me, I'm going to click on more because the particular place I want to share it is not showing. So, and when I click on more, you also see other places that you can share this article to. So I'm going to share to my WhatsApp. When I share to my WhatsApp, for those of you that have my WhatsApp, you can check it out on my WhatsApp status, or you can come back to this article to read it because it's a very nice article that you should check out. So aside translating, sharing, finding a page, desktop sites and all, you can also check for security. This is one of the reasons I love Google Chrome. If you are browsing, they will give you a heads up like, oh, this particular site you are browsing is not okay. If you click on this info icon that is highlighted on my screen, it's going to tell you whether this site, your connection is secure or this site is not secure. You should not enter sensitive information like your card details and password. They will tell you about it. So I'm going to open another site that I opened and I saw that it was not secure to buttress this particular point. They are going to show, instead of showing that padlock like sign near the web address, it's going to show like this sign that they put on the road when a car is broken down, that triangle with that exclamation mark. Yeah, that is like warning, like beware, this site is not secure. Don't put sensitive information when you are going over this site. So these symbols will explain more for you. So apart from clicking on info tab, you understand, to check the information of the website, you can also click on that padlock like this thing that is showing behind the beside or before the web address. Yes, this one I have highlighted. When you click on it, it will still show you the same thing that info icon would have shown you. So you can check out what the other internet sources have to say about this particular website. Meanwhile, Revive Our Heart is actually another site I would recommend for ladies or women, of all ages. So I'm going to search for something now. Apart from going to a particular website, you can search for anything. You can also use your voice to type, that's to say what you are looking for, or Google Lens, which I've explained in my previous video. You can just check it out on my channel. So when you browse this Google Chrome, everything is going to be on all, but you can check news. If you want only images, click on images. If you want only videos, click on videos. If you want maybe to go to map to see if there is an address near you where they are making ogbono soup, you can do so. You can also check out for books, recipe books, or give Google a feedback on a particular web page or a particular service you received. So that is that about that. The other aspect of Google Chrome that you have to check out is your settings. Like, if I'm going to talk about settings, to take like a whole video to do this. So one new thing they've added is the password manager. On settings, you can log out of the particular email address. You can change your email address there. That's if you're logged in with one particular address, you can change it. You can change your theme. You can add your card for payment. You can check your security. You can check the language that is there. If you don't like it, change it. So for this one, if you click on that D icon, it's going to like bring out all the tabs you've been visiting, like, unless you cleared your browsing history. If you didn't clear your browsing history, like, look at the recent tabs that we visited. Even the ones I didn't record, they are just showing everything. So that's one thing about, you can easily, maybe you've lost count of a particular website, you can go there and easily find out that website, especially if you didn't bookmark it. So the other places I didn't talk about is like the new tab. When you click on new tab, it's going to just bring a fresh Google search page for you. New incognito tab is going to make you like disappear. Nobody will know you are the one browsing. It's like a VPN, no location, nothing traceable to you. Then for your history, all the history you've browsed except the incognito tab, of course. So that's going to be all for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.